How to enable horizon lock on Insta360 GO Ultra. So first of all, take your device and make sure that it is turned on. Once your device has been turned on, you can see this action option. Tap on it. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see various options. Now scroll down below till the bottom. Now, in order to enable horizon lock, you need to select the option of 360-degree horizon lock. Then the camera can rotate 360-degree left or right while keeping the footage level. Now, if you set the horizon lock to 45 degrees, the camera can rotate 45 degrees left or right while keeping the footage level. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.